Here's an old Hank Williams song, and I should start that by saying this is my interpretation of that song. I do have the Strumstick Merlin's tabs to do it the real way, but maybe down the line I'll do it the full way. This is just the fun jam I like to do, and the picking I do, we'll just say it works best during the chorus. And if you just do the chords during the verse and then go into that during the chorus, it works. And then, like I said, maybe eventually I'll get the real way down where I'm comfortable enough to do a lesson, because right now it's just numbers on a page and I haven't really looked at it too much. Hey. Slowed it down a second time because, like usual, I'm racing. Don't actually do that all the time when I'm in a band, but when I play on my own, I usually do it. And most times it's on purpose, not always. Anyways, too much stuff in the way here. The picking on this song. So you start open second. So open second, twice. So that's the first part. Second part, you start on second string, first fret. Then you do the first part again. Third part, you go up high. And like I said, that fits best over the chorus of the song. The chords in the song. It's a D. G. D. And an A on the end. So, open D. No second on that one. Open D. G, I'm doing the low voice. We'll call that one from now on low voice. The third fret, first fret, open. And there's two reasons it sounds better in this song to do it the low way, but when you come to the picking, you have to do it the low way. And then your D is just your normal D. First, open, first. So, start the picking on the song is all D. So you start, just hit the first two strings. Don't hit the high string. Till there. So it's all open D. Then you go to the G. So what I'm doing there is first two strings, and you hit that note, open high string. Then you do the first part again. The high part is in D. There's your A. Hank Williams, I saw the light. So like I said, that's my interpretation of that song. And that, like I said, that works best during the chorus. During the verse, you just really want to strum the chords. There's a different way of doing it. As you can see. Like I said, just notes on a piece of paper so far. I can't even make heads or tail out of it right now. But I'll learn it the right way, and we'll do another lesson video down the line. So that's it for now on that one. We'll see you guys next time.